when you are good, you don't need to remind people that you are good. From your hard work, if you confirm what you can work and say, Azonto you're good. But I say, you don't believe in yourself, you have to bring these things to prove that you are good.
No, I believe in myself.
Then why are you bringing it?
See, I believe in myself, but people don't believe in me because people don't believe. People don't even understand. I'm the. Recently, I had a nomination, Ghana Europe Music Awards, and can you believe that? If you want me, I'm the match Efia Odo category.
I didn't hear.
I have 16 good awards to my credit. Efia Odo has no award. She has no hit song. So I don't know.
No,
you know the problem I have with them.
No,
I don't know. For man, they don't want to understand that I am the number one artist in Ghana.
Who don't want to understand?
The Ghanaians, the music industry, because
you think you are better than Efia Odo?
I'm better than everyone in the category, all the musicians. I'm the number one artist in Ghana. Whether I like maybe presenters but I will say the winner. I'll keep on asking. Okay, this year and last year, why you Juma say me and not say me? But 3 I met you 3 or year Juma to say me. They are not working. They are lazy. I'm doing the work. I'm person better here because Michelle Mbata into. I'm just saying Jimmy was I just am fan for now Obi Michelle Mbata now. Messi there.
Ebi atade na she say do ko she Efia Odo category mu because omo hu de wo ye ebi a wo gina he ka wo hu baby a wo gina
Efia Odo is not my class. So what I say?
When you say class, I want to understand.
Yes, I have 16 good awards to my credit. So Efia Odo is never my class. Do you understand?